Let's make tempeh. Soak your beans overnight. Rinse well. Place in the food processor and pulse 15 times or more until the desired size you want. Rinse again and kind of squeeze them on your hand and throw away the water with the excess skin. Place them on high heat until the beans is boiling up like this, moving so hard. Then place them right away on low heat. In that way, the beans go down and sinking to the bottom again, and only the lighter peel will go floating, so you can skim them easily like this. See that? Keep on doing that for an hour. Look on how much of those peel, those useless skin, okay, that I've been collected by doing that. Then drain and dry them if it's air dry overnight. Or if you have big electric fan, you only need 25 minutes. Okay, 25 minutes later, when you gently press with napkin and then not much of the liquid left on your napkin, they are ready. Spread the tempeh starter. For every 250 grams of raw beans, use flat teaspoon for every 250 grams of soybean. Tempeh starter. Mine is Wira brand tempeh starter from indogroceries.com in Indianapolis. Read my instruction area. Mix well. Place them in plastic bag. Poke with so many holes. Also on the side. Poke them all over. Flip and poke some more on the bag. If you don't have this ceramic type of bag, you can use Ziploc snack size bag. With the ceramic plastic bag, it looks like this. It takes longer time to sweat. With the clear plastic bag like this Ziploc bag, it takes shorter time to sweat. But the result, I like the ceramic bag better if you can find them. My 750 grams of raw bean only yield about this 7 pieces of bag of tempeh. That's why tempeh is expensive. Place them covered in the corner of your kitchen. Not too hot area, especially summer. Be careful. The hot area during summer will make it too hot and rot. And in about 45 to 75 hours, they will start sweating. Yes, you hear me right. The Ziploc bag usually need 45 hours to sweat, and the ceramic bag usually needs 75 hours before it sweat. Okay, friends, actually in about 54 hours later, I start seeing some condensation or sweat on only 2 of them. The rest is not sweaty yet. So when you see them sweaty, to expedite the mold to perform that wonderful white mold special on tempeh, open the bag like this and then cover the bag, of course, with the towel. And continue keeping them in the corner of your kitchen or something cool for another 10 hours so that beautiful white mold will perform. Maybe because it's cold winter time, so it's taking longer. The rest is not even sweaty yet. Right, folks, 10 hours later, as you can see, the 2 got more beautiful white mold of that famous white mold of tempeh, and the other 5 is probably I will let them sit for like 5 more hours. But anyway, don't forget to wipe those water droplets with napkin as much as possible before you store them in your refrigerator or freezer. I understand that it takes longer time now, maybe because it's winter here. They are ready to be cooked. Look for my link in my description area. I will put the link on how I fix this tempeh. Alright, here I bestow to you my practical way on making tempeh. Hopefully you give this nutritious food a try. And thank you for watching again. Bye bye!